Good morning, students. How are you all? Is welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School, Class 7, Subject English. In last class, we saw a prose and poem supplementary. In today's class, we are going to learn a beautiful grammar topic, conjunction. Yes. Now we move to the conjunction. Now we move to the topic conjunction. Yes, what is the definition for the conjunction? Now we see the definition. Conjunction are words used to connect words, phrases or clauses. Once again I repeat the definition for conjunction. Conjunction are words used to connect words, phrases or clauses. Some of the connecting words are an, or, and, but. And we can see some more example for this conjunction. The example for the conjunction is she likes skiing and rowing. In this sentence, they used connecting word which is and. Here in this sentence, seeking and rowing. Seeking is a word and also rowing is another word. Here and is joining these two words. And also and is used to add two things that are similar. Now we move to the second example sentence. You can stay or leave. In this sentence, or is a conjunction or indicates a choice between two things. Here, stay is an word and another word is leave. You can stay or leave. In this sentence, or connecting these two word phrase. So it is a conjunction. Yes, I give one more example sentence for conjunction. The dog was big but friendly. Yes, you can easily find what is the conjunction used in this sentence. Yes, the conjunction is but. Here in this sentence, the but connecting these two words, big and friendly. So, it is a conjunction. Now, we move to the joining phrases. They are and, or, but. The example sentence for the joining phrase. Tell me after dinner or in the morning. In this sentence, you can easily find out what is the conjunction used in this sentence. Or is a conjunction used in this sentence because after dinner is a phrase and also in the morning is also another phrase. These two phrases are connected by or. So or is a conjunction. These are the example for the conjunction and joining phrase. The one more example for the joining phrase is she can sing like a rock star and dance like a ballerina. Yes, what is meant by ballerina? Yes, ballerina means a female ballet dancer. Yes, what is the conjunction used in this sentence? And is a conjunction used in this sentence because it joining these two phrases. Singing like a rock star and another phrase is dance like a ballerina. So, this is the example sentence for the conjunction phrases. Now we move to the clauses sentence. The example sentences are he stole the painting after John left but before Sugan gave her speech. In this sentence, what is a connecting word? Yes, what is a conjunction used in this sentence? Yes, but is a conjunction used in this sentence because but connect these two clauses. Now we move to the types of conjunction. There are three types of conjunction. One is coordinating conjunction, the another one is subordinating conjunction, the last one is correlative conjunction. In today's class, we are going to discuss first two conjunction, that is coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. What is meant by coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunctions join like with like. That is, coordinating conjunction, a conjunction that join word, phrases, clauses or sentences that are of equal importance. It is called as coordinating conjunction. Some of the coordinating conjunction are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are the coordinating conjunction. You can also easily remember by fanboys. It is the first letter of the conjunction. Some of the example sentence for coordinating conjunctions are: Need is a fast but unmotivated horse. In this sentence, fast is an adjective. The another one is unmotivated is also another adjective. These two adjectives are joined by but. But is an coordinating conjunction. So, in this sentence, but is used as a coordinating conjunction. Now, we move to the second example sentence. He eats apples and grass. In this sentence, apples and grasses are two nouns. So, in this sentence, and is a coordinating conjunction used. The third example is: he will win the race or he will give up quickly. In this sentence, he will win the race. It is an incomplete sentence. The another one is he will give up quickly. It is also incomplete clauses. So these two incomplete clauses are connected by or. So or is a coordinating conjunction used. And also conjunction is used 3 or more words in case of 4 words. That is, for example, partially, sage, rosemary and thyme. In this sentence, they used and is a conjunction. In our British English, we won't use comma before the and in 3 or more words. But in American English, they use comma before and. You can also see here they used comma after rosemary, before and. You can also see these two sentences. They used comma before the and they didn't use comma before the and. For example, fish, chips and peas. In this sentence, they didn't use comma. But the second sentence, burger, snack, comma and fries. In this sentence, they used comma before the and. I hope you all will understand the first one, coordinating conjunction. Now we move to the subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction is used to join a main clause and a subordinate clause. Such conjunctions include after, although, as, because, before, even though, if, since, that, though, until, when, where, whether, which, while, etc. And also subordinate conjunction indicate the time, place, purpose, condition, reason and contrast. First, we see the subordinating conjunction which indicate the time. That is, when, while, till, until, whenever, before, after, as soon as, since, until. These subordinating conjunctions are used to indicate the time. For example, she has been quiet since she returned home. Here, she has been quiet is a main clause and she returned home. It is a subordinating clause. So these two clauses are connected by since. So since is an subordinating conjunction. And one more example is until we hear from them, we can't do much. Here they used until as a coordinating conjunction. Usually the subordinate clause comes before the main clause. We use the coordinating conjunction before the subordinate clause. Now we move to the place. Where, whenever, these two are used to indicate the place. For example, I am not sure where I left it. In this sentence, where is a subordinating conjunction because I am not sure. It is a main clause and I left it. It is a subordinate clause. So these two clauses are connected by word where. So where is a subordinating conjunction used in this sentence. The one more example sentences are we can go wherever you like. Here these two clauses are connected by wherever. So wherever is a conjunction used in this sentence. Now we move to the second next one. So that. It is used to indicate purpose. It means what purpose we use. For example, the team is practicing hard so that they can win. In this sentence, the team is practicing hard. So this is an main clause and they can win. It is an subordinate clause. So these two clauses are connected by so that. So that is an subordinate conjunction used in this sentence. Now we move to the next one. If, unless, whether, etc. These three are used to indicate the conditions. For example, if you stay out in the cold, you will fall ill. In this sentence, they used if before the subordinate clause. So, it connects the two clauses and it is an subordinating conjunction. The next one is unless you will listen to the doctor's advice, the pain won't go away. In this sentence, they used unless as a subordinating conjunction because it connects the main clause and the subordinate clause. So, unless is an conjunction. Next is because, as, since. These three are used to indicate the reason, what reason they are doing. For example, he is sad because he fought with his friend. He is sad. It is a main clause and he fought with his friend. It is a subordinate clause. So these two clauses are connected by because. So because is a conjunction used in this sentence. The next one is though, although. These two words are used to indicate contrast. For example, though she wanted to join us, she couldn't take leave. In this example sentence, we can find conjunction, that is though. Now we see some more example sentence for the subordinate conjunction. We will wait here until the rain stops. In this sentence, until is a subordinating conjunction because we will wait here. It is a main clause and the rain stops. It is in a subordinate clause. So, you can easily understand by these two clauses are joined by until. So, until is a subordinate conjunction. The next one is people are more violently opposed to fur than leather because it is safer to harass rich women than motorcycle gangs. In this sentence, the first half is in a main clause and the second half is in a subordinate clause. These main clause and subordinate clause are connected by because. So, because is a subordinate conjunction. I give one more example sentence for your better understanding. When the rain stops, we will start climbing. In this sentence, you can find when is a subordinate conjunction and also the rain stops. It is a subordinate clause. Usually, subordinate clause comes after the main clause, but in this sentence, you can find subordinate clause comes before the main clause because it has comma. Now we will write the classwork note based on the topic conjunction. Yes, take your English grammar note and write the index page first. Serial number 5. The topic name is conjunction. Then take a fresh page and start write the topic name on the top of the page. Use black pen for the topics. And what are conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word that connects words, phrases, clauses or sentences. There are 3 types of conjunction. I already told you. But in today's class, we are going to see only first 2 type of conjunction. The first one is coordinating conjunction and the second one is subordinating conjunction. The third one is correlative conjunction. In today's class, we won't see about the correlative conjunction. First, we see the definition for coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. What are coordinating conjunction? A conjunction that joins words, phrases, clauses or sentences that are of equal importance is called as coordinating conjunction. Now we move to what are subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction is used to join a main clause and a subordinate clause. Now we see what are coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, yet. And is used to add 2 things that are similar. For what purpose we use and? We use and to add 2 things that are similar. For example, I play tennis and she plays hockey. In this sentence, and is a conjunction used because I play tennis. It is a clause and she plays hockey. It is also a clause. So these 2 clauses are joined by and. So and is a conjunction used in this sentence. Now we move to but. But is used to indicate contrast between 2 things. Okay, for example, Amina loves to talk, but her sister is usually quiet. In this sentence, but is conjunction used. Now we move to or. Or is used to indicate a choice between 2 things. For example, would you like to go shopping or would you rather stay at home? In this sentence, or is a conjunction used because there are two options are given to go shopping or stay at home. So, or is a conjunction used in this sentence. Now we move to it. It means at the same time or nevertheless. For example, it has been a long time, yet she remembers everything so well. In this sentence, it is a conjunction because it connects these two sentences. Now we move to subordinate conjunction. When, while, till, until, whenever, before, after, since, as soon as, until, etc. These are used to indicate the time. For example, she has been quiet since she returns home. In this sentence, since is a subordinate conjunction used because these two clauses are connected by since. So, since is a conjunction because it is a main clause and it is a subordinate clause. These two clauses are connected by since. Now we move to where and wherever. These two words are used to indicate place. For example, I am not sure where I left it. In this sentence, where is a connecting word used because I am not sure. It is a main clause and I left it. It is a subordinate clause. These two clauses are connected by where. So, where is a subordinating conjunction. Now we move to so that. These two words are used to indicate purpose. For what purpose? For example, the team is practicing hard so that they can win. In this sentence, so that is a subordinating conjunction because it connects the main clause and subordinate clause. If, unless, whether. These three are used to indicate condition. For example, if you stay out in the cold, you will fall ill. In this sentence, if is a coordinating conjunction. But you can see here subordinate clause comes after the main clause. But in this sentence, you can find the subordinate clause comes before the main clause and the main clause comes after the subordinate clause. Because, as, since. These three are used to indicate reason. For example, he is sad because he fought with his friend. In this sentence, because is a conjunction used. Now we move to though and though. These two are used to indicate contrast. For example, although he worked hard, he couldn't finish it in time. In this sentence, although is a conjunction used. Yes, students. Now we move to the close. Choose the correct conjunction to complete this sentence. You should fill these 5 sentences and write it in your grammar note. Yes. Thank you, students.